Hey guys, welcome back to the Gundam Model Kit Review channel. Today we'll be reviewing the Legend 144 scale Gundam, and I'm glad to say that this was actually a pretty satisfying and interesting build. From now on we'll be discussing three main topics on any of these kits, and that's going to be the price, the quality, and the time. For the price, is it worth this Gundam? The quality, obviously, how bad is the plastic? Do the frames stick? Do I have to shave a lot of parts? Do they click together well? That kind of thing. And as far as time, how long does it take to build the Gundam? Is it too short of time to be worth my money to where it's so quick that I barely remember building it? Or does it take way too long and it's so complicated that I might want to get a simpler Gundam? So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the quality of this Gundam is pretty decent, I would say. A lot of the pieces do click together relatively easy. The plastic is durable, the parts don't seem to break, and I actually, even upon having to separate some pieces to reassemble a part in the legs, it didn't break or bend or mess up any of these snapping pieces. Overall, I'd say the quality is pretty decent, and I do not mind this particular kit's plastic grade. The time. How much time did it take me to build this kit? Well, actually not very long. It only took around an hour at the most, I would say, to build this kit. And for a smaller 1 in 1/44 scale Gundam, I would say an hour is a decent amount of time. I don't want a Gundam that's going to take too little time here if it's a 144. If it only takes like 20 to 30 minutes, I probably don't want to buy that Gundam. It means it didn't have a lot of parts, or maybe it's just not that interesting. I'm sitting right at an hour. I could be playing a game for an hour and still enjoy it just as much. But this particular kit is perfect for if I want to build a Gundam in between doing other things. And the price on this Gundam. I'm going to say the price on this Gundam was excellent. It was only $20 and it's super cheap in comparison for the amount of plastic that actually came with the kit. A $20 Gundam is actually some of the best pricing you're going to get out of a lot of these 1/44 scale Gundams. That's not to say that the more pricey Gundams aren't better or anything like that. Some of them are absolutely amazing, but if I was going to pay $20 for a Gundam and get just a very skinny, very basic Gundam, I would be kind of bored with that. This guy had a lot of interesting parts, and I gotta say, I was actually impressed with the overall build. He doesn't come with the stand or anything like that, but I love the Darth Maul style lightsaber that he has. Thank you guys for stopping by and checking out this video on our review for the Legend Gundam. If Gundam model kits are your thing, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other videos on Gundam model kits. Thank you and have a wonderful day.